Hi, my name's Patricia, and I'm going to show you how to fold a paper purse. What you'll need is scissors and a piece of 8.5 by 11 paper. You can also use colored paper if you'd like, construction paper. We're just going to use white paper today. What you're going to do is fold the paper in half widthwise, and then crease it down the middle, and then take about 1.5 inches to a little less than 2 inches off the end. There's no right or wrong, just so that what you want to achieve is to get the paper to be longer than it was before, longer and thinner. You're going to open up the paper and then fold it again in half, lengthwise this time, just so that you're able to match the corners up when you fold them in. Because the next step is folding them in. And you want to fold them so that they reach that center line. All right, one more time. Let's fold those corners in. You just match them up to that center line. And then what we're going to do is fold the tips down like this and match it up to where the end of the paper meets together, where the two corners meet together. So you fold them there, both sides, and then you again fold it so that it touches that center line, the center fold. Turn it around, fold it one more time, and then you're going to flip your work over and fold it. And again, you want to hit that center line here. Fold it on one side and then fold it on the other. And you'll see that you have like a diamond shape in the middle. You hold these two together and then you fold it in half, and you'll see that you have two pockets here. And this is the pockets for the purse. Now, if you open one of these pockets up, either one, it doesn't matter, you will see a triangle that you can take out, or a flap, if you will, and that makes the flap of your cute little purse. And there you go. Here is your little paper purse. Enjoy.